Hey, it's Adam with 4x4TruckLEDs.com and KR Off-Road. We are here in our Lindenhurst, New York retail store. I'm going to show you the tonneau covers that we recommend to people. These are the three top brands that we sell, all from the Truck Hero brand. First, we have the Retrax. Then we're going to show you the Revolver and then the Backflip MX4. So the Retrax is available in a Retrax 1 and a Retrax Pro. Basically, it's the same exact design. One's going to be a polycarbonate and one's going to be all aluminum. This is the Retrax Pro XR MX. So what it is actually, it's a canister style system where the cover goes into a canister that's in the bed, and the canister hovers over the bed a little bit. So you got a couple inches of clearance underneath the canister. This actually can lock in multiple positions. So whatever you're carrying or storing, you can open up and close the cover to accommodate that. It does feature a lock, so you can lock this separate than your tailgate. It's available with the rail system, which is the XR, and then it's available without a rail system, which is the MX. So again, the Retrax Pro is going to be your aluminum. Your Retrax 1 is going to be your polycarbonate. The MX at the end is no rail. The XR at the end is a rail. This is also available in a powered version, so it'll operate from a remote control and open and close with the remote. We'll skip this one. We'll go right to the next Trifold. This is another hardcover aluminum. This is made by MX4, the Backflip, I should say. So this is the Backflip MX4. This is your Trifold. What that means is it can open up in 3 different positions. And this allows you to open it up all the way. It does block the back window, which is the downside to this. But the benefit is this is not as expensive as the Retrax. There's no canister, and you can, again, open it in multiple positions. It'll actually lock. It's got these clips that could hold up here, lock this in place so it doesn't flap around. And it's, again, really solid cover. This is really lightweight as well. Then we go to our roll-up style. This is your soft roll-up style. This is the Revolver X4S. These have aluminum slats that are in here, so it is still pretty solid and durable. These are really difficult to cut with a knife. You can cut these with a knife and score it, but you're not going to cut through the aluminum. Same idea where you pull this little slat, and then you can roll it up. And again, it has the little clips here, so it'll actually hold it against your bed or your back window. The nice part about this is you're not going to block the back window when it's open, unlike the MX4, which blocks the back window. And then it locks in place. These two, you can't open with the tailgate up. So if your tailgate locks, which most new trucks do, you'll be actually able to keep everything secure. This will stay secure as well when your tailgate is locked open, but you also have the added feature of locking this, because again, even if your tailgate is locked, to open this, you don't have to open the tailgate. Your tailgate can remain closed while you open this, which is a really nice feature to have. With these two, you have to drop the tailgate to get to the latch under here. So these are the top 3 that we recommend. We usually have these in stock, ready to install. We also offer free installation on these if you come to our Lindenhurst, New York retail store, which is on Long Island. When we do the install, we also double your warranty. You get a double warranty from Truck Hero on all the brands. So that's something else to keep in mind. If you have any questions about these, give us a call at 866-991-4331, or just shoot us an email, info@4x4TruckLEDs.com.